Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm going over the February paper pumpkin called Hello Spring. And boy, this is just filled with back to your garden items. And so these are the three cards that you make. You make three each of these three card designs. Now that is what it says. Generally, what I would do is create one each of the three cards and then use the pieces to change up the cards that I'm making. This one has these cute little envelopes. So all 9 of the cards have these cute sideways envelopes that kind of look like seed packets all on their own. And it also has a stamp set that we used. And so it has some thanks for helping me grow, hello spring, happy Easter words, sending love to a wonderful friend, and then some chives here with a little chive top. Who knew that chive tops had a little thing on there? And then it comes with a petunia. It came with a petunia pop, little ink spot. So there, in addition to that, we have the quarter has a die cut that coordinates with the 3 quart stamps. So the March, April, and May, it should be March, April, and May. No, January, February, March. Yes, January, February, March. So the January used this cute scallop heart. This month's kit, the February, has the cutouts for these chives and the little chai topper. And then when March comes, it's going to be about little beads and honeycombs. I can't wait. So this is a great companion for not very much to these paper pumpkins. So thank you so much for watching. Are you signed up for Paper Pumpkin for March? Happy crafting.